Good morning. Trading SPX USDT Fed per 12 future with 5 times leverage and Get IO allows you to gain amplified exposure to XPES pre-IPO synthetic valuation. At 5 times leverage, a 20% price moves against your position will trigger total liquidation of your isolated margin. Step 1. Mechanical setup and Get IO. Follow this instruction workflow to execute the 5 times strategy safely. Fund the position. Navigate to the classic account, click transfer, remove your USDT collateral from your spot account into your future account. Select the pair, go to the dashboard of future dashboards, and open the SPX USDT pair. Then isolate your margin. Switch to the margin configuration from your cross margin to isolated margin. This ensures a worst case loss is strictly capped on the collateral allocated to this single trade. Configure to 5 times leverage. Drag the leverage adjustment slider precisely to 5 times. Step 2. Operational metrics and visualizing your 5 times risk. Understanding your exact financial boundaries prevent unexpected liquidation. The risk profile changes depending on whether you take a long or short position. The mathematical breakdown below models the visual risk curve for a long position. Notice how the margin requirements stay static while the liquidation boundaries sit precisely to 20% away from your entry price. Step 3. Risk mitigation rules. Because SpaceX tracks a free IPO asset certificate rather than standard life public equities, liquidity can thin out during heavy market shift. Implement this specific automated safeguard. Number 1. Hard stop loss execution. Never rely on manual execution. Place a conditional stop loss order to a maximum of 5% to 8% away from your entry point. This protects your account from getting anywhere near the 20% structural bankruptcy mark. Number 2, monitor the mark price. Get IO triggers liquidation using a dual price system based on index mark price rather than the last traded price. Keep an eye on the market price display on your dashboard to guide you through liquidation proximity. Number 3, account for funding rates. Perpetual contracts requires a long or short position to exchange premier payments at set intervals. Check the current SpaceX funding rate countdown on the platform interface to track your ongoing overnight position costs. Thank you so much. Don't hit the subscribe button for my crypto trading. Thank you so much.